Good morning, children. I hope you all are fit, fine, and healthy. Today we will study chapter 5 of computer. The name of our chapter is MS Paint. In the previous video, we were discussing about different tools that are there in MS Paint. So today in this video, we will learn about them in detail. Children, this is our tools group. Yes, children. So there are different tools in this group. Each tool has different function. So today we will study about them in detail. But before learning about them, there is one thing which you have to keep in mind. What is that? Tell me, children. That is to know the name of a tool. Place the pointer on that tool. It means that in case when you are moving your pointer here, you don't know what we call this tool. So bring your pointer here immediately. You will come to know that this is your pencil tool. So keep in mind, then whenever there is a confusion and you want to know the name of that tool, then you can bring your pointer there and you will come to know about that tool. So today, first tool which we are going to study is the pencil tool. The pencil tool is used to draw free form lines or curves. This is a pencil tool. This tool is used to draw lines or curves. Curves like this. These are curves. So there are certain steps for using this tool. So let's go through it. Select the pencil tool from the tools group. First, select the pencil tool from the tools group. Next, select any color from the colors group. For example, I have chosen this blue color. Next instruction, move the move the pointer to the drawing area. Now, after this, you have brought your pointer to the drawing area. This is our drawing area, children. Next instruction, press and hold down the left mouse button and drag the pointer to draw kites as shown in the figure. So what you will do, children, you will press the left mouse button. What you will press? You will press the left mouse button and draw the figure. For see, I am drawing this. See, children, I am drawing a kite. This kite is of blue color, but you can change the color also from here and you can make a kite of different color. I'll show you, children. See. Now I am drawing a kite of green color. I hope, children, your drawing is better than me. So this is your kite. So in this way, you can choose any color and with the help of that, you can draw any figure. I have drawn a kite, but you can draw any color from it. The next tool which we will study is the, which tool, children? Tell me. We will study the eraser tool. What is the eraser tool, children? The eraser tool is used to erase any paint part of a picture. Just you know that previously, just now we have drawn this kite with the help of this pencil tool. Now, with the help of eraser tool, we will erase this picture. So let's go through the steps of using this eraser tool. Select the eraser tool from the tools group. First, we have to select the eraser tool. This is our eraser tool. I have selected. Next instruction. Choose the size of the eraser by clicking on the desired option in the size button menu. This is our size button. So first we will click on this. So various sizes are here, children. This is the thickest size. This is thinner. Then more thick, and this is the thickest. So I have chosen this. A square will appear in the drawing area. You can see I am moving this square. It is a eraser of our biggest size. Then how we will use it? Let's read out. Hold down the left mouse button and move it on the area that you want to erase. See children, I'll hold the left mouse button and press it, and by pressing only I bring my mouse pointer over this picture like this. You can see children, now I am able to erase this kite with the help of the eraser. Yes or no? So in this way children, you can use your eraser for erasing any drawing. For erasing any drawing, you can use this picture. I hope children you all have understood this eraser tool. Yes. Next we will study about text tool. Which tool? About text tool. That how we can add text in a slide or in a paint window. Let's go through it. First, click on the text tool A. Children, this is our text tool. See children, when I am clicking, it is written also text. This is our text tool. The pointer changes to I shape. When I'll click on this A button, see children, A tool, immediately the pointer turns into I shape, I alphabet shape. Then click and drag the pointer on the drawing area where you want to place the text. Immediately what you have to do, you have to bring your pointer on the drawing area where I want to draw the text. See what will happen. A dotted rectangular box will appear with a blinking cursor inside. You can see children, a blinking cursor is there. Yes or no? So type the text as shown in the text box. Now you can type anything in this box. For example, I am writing, I am a girl. Children, I am typing with the help of my keyboard. So I am a girl. So this is the text box, and with the help of text A, I have written my text. I hope children you all have understood the use of text box, text tool. Clear children? Now next tool which we will study is the brush tool. Which tool we will study? Brush tool. Brush tool is used to draw objects with different kinds of brushes. It means we can use this brush tool for drawing different objects. Let us read some steps of using this tool. Click on the brushes drop down arrow. Children, you see this arrow downwards. So this is a drop down. Select any brush type from the list of available options. There are many types of brushes, many options are there. So you can use any brush. For example, I have selected this first brush. Okay. Select any color from the colors group. You can select any color. Now I have chosen this green color. Now I am choosing this red color. Okay. Next instruction, move the pointer to the drawing area. Now this is my pointer. I have brought it in the drawing area. Next, press and hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse to draw different lines. Now children, what I will do, by pressing the left mouse button, can draw a line. Children, you can see I am drawing a line. Yes. So this is this tool. Now I am going to use another tool. First I have used this tool now, this brush children. Now I am selecting this brush. See how it works. See, different brushes have different shapes, different styles. Now I am changing the color also. Now I have selected yellow color. I am changing this brush. Now I am using this brush. See children, little lighter. Yes. Now next brush, I have changed again color. See the use of next brush, this brush. See, thinner. And style is also different children. Next brush, different color. See this. This is the thinnest brush. So children, there are many brushes in this brush toolbox. You can use any brush whichever you feel like. Okay, so I hope children brush tool is also clear to you. Now which tool we are going to study? Now children, we will study about the airbrush tool. Which tool we will study children now? Airbrush tool. Airbrush tool is used to spray color on the drawing area. This tool is used for spraying color, for shading in the sense you can say, or in different way if you want to color any object, then also you can use your airbrush tool. So this, one thing remember children, it is a brush. So you will get this airbrush tool in your brushes menu, in your brush box. So now read out the instructions. First instruction, select any color from the colors group. I have collected this purple color. Children, now click on the brushes drop down arrow and select the airbrush option. See children, drop down arrow I have selected. Now children, you will say, ma'am, there are many brushes. How we will come to know that which is the airbrush? So children, when you will bring your pointer, immediately you will come to know the name of the brush. See, this is the calligraphy brush, but I want the airbrush. Now I'll use, see this. This is airbrush. So now I will select this brush. I have selected this brush now. Next instruction, I'll read. Select the desired spray size from the size button. Children, this is the size button and click on this. These are the various sizes. So I am selecting this one. Next, move the mouse pointer on to the drawing area. Now I have brought the pointer on the drawing area. Click the mouse button on the area where you want to spray the color. See, I am spraying it like that. You can see children. But I'll show you in another way also. First, I'll draw some shapes. Then I'll show you that how we can fill the color in that. See children, I am drawing first. Then I'll show you that how we can use it. Now one more shape I am taking children. You can see different shapes I have drawn here. Now I have changed the color of that. Now I'll select the airbrush tool from it. Now see how I can use this airbrush tool for spraying. See, you can use this spray brush color for filling the color also in different style. Yes, or you can change the size also. This is the thinnest size. Now I am only outlining by different color. See children, By choosing this, you can outline the color, also outline the figure also. So in this way, you can use this brush tool the way you feel like. Directly with the help of this, you can draw. Uh, Also, you can fill the color also. It's depend on you. I hope children, you all have understood the tools group till here. Now revise this video thoroughly and next we will study further. Thank you.